Right now, we're witnessing something incredible happening on YouTube that most people are completely missing. Ordinary people with zero experience are going from nothing to earning $50,000 per month in just 12 to 24 months. And the crazy part? They're doing it using methods so simple that literally anyone could replicate them today. What's happening right now feels like YouTube is fundamentally broken in the best possible way. The platform has shifted dramatically from requiring super polished, heavily edited content to rewarding authentic, raw conversations. This change has created an unprecedented opportunity for regular people to build massive audiences without needing advanced technical skills or expensive equipment. The secret lies in understanding that YouTube's algorithm now favors genuine human connection over flashy production values. Viewers are craving real conversations with people they can relate to, not another perfectly scripted video. This shift has opened doors that were previously locked behind years of learning complex editing techniques and thumbnail design. Let me show you exactly how this works by breaking down real examples of people crushing it right now. Take Connor, who recently had a video called "You've Consumed Enough God Wants You to Create" that exploded. When you watch his content, you'll notice something remarkable. He stands in the woods wearing his regular work clothes, talks directly to the camera with minimal editing, no background music, and doesn't even cut out natural pauses. Yet he's earning an estimated $9,000 per month from ad revenue alone. The key insight here is volume and consistency. Connor posts almost daily, creating content in batches during single recording sessions. While many videos get modest views, the algorithm rewards this consistency by occasionally pushing one video to hundreds of thousands of viewers. This follows YouTube's general pattern where roughly 1 in 10 videos performs exceptionally well, 4 perform average, and 5 underperform. Another creator named Noah demonstrates this principle perfectly with his 3-minute daily videos. Despite having only 92,000 subscribers, he generated 3 million views last month, translating to an estimated $8,000 to $20,000 in monthly ad revenue. His content follows the same formula: simple, conversational, and frequent. Estelle provides another compelling case study. Starting 9 months ago with basic thumbnails and experimental content, she gradually refined her approach. Now she creates single-shot videos while walking in nature, using a simple handheld camera with built-in stabilization and an affordable microphone. Her thumbnails are literally just screenshots of herself, yet she's generating over 1 million views monthly. The beauty of this approach lies in its accessibility. You don't need professional editing skills, expensive equipment, or perfect thumbnails. A smartphone with a basic gimbal and external microphone costs just a few $100s. Many creators use simple screenshot thumbnails that anyone can create, proving that authenticity trumps polished design. This is where AI tools like TubeMargic AI are revolutionizing the game for everyday creators. These platforms are democratizing video production by handling the technical heavy lifting that used to require specialized knowledge. TubeMargic AI can help with everything from generating video ideas based on trending topics in your niche to creating basic thumbnails and optimizing titles for maximum reach. What makes TubeMargic AI particularly powerful is how it streamlines the entire production workflow. Instead of spending hours researching trending topics, creators can input their niche and receive data-driven suggestions for content that's likely to perform well. The AI analyzes successful videos in similar channels and identifies patterns that can be replicated. The platform also handles thumbnail creation, which traditionally required design skills or expensive software. TubeMargic AI can generate multiple thumbnail options based on high-performing templates, allowing creators to focus entirely on content creation rather than design work. This eliminates one of the biggest barriers that prevented regular people from starting YouTube channels. For content optimization, TubeMargic AI analyzes your video's performance potential before you even upload it. It suggests title improvements, identifies optimal posting times based on your audience data, and recommends tags that can boost discoverability. This level of intelligence was previously only available to creators with dedicated teams. The batch creation strategy becomes even more powerful when combined with AI assistance. You can spend a single afternoon recording multiple videos, then use TubeMargic AI to optimize each one for different trending topics or audience segments. This approach allows creators to maintain daily posting schedules without content creation consuming their entire lives. Michael's story perfectly illustrates this evolution. 5 years ago, he struggled with poor thumbnails and random topics. Today, he walks with his iPhone on a gimbal, discussing real estate trends for 16 minutes without notes. His expertise combined with consistent posting has generated over 5 million views monthly, likely earning him $50,000 just from ad revenue. The monetization opportunities extend far beyond ad revenue. Once you build an audience through this accessible content creation method, doors open to sponsorships, affiliate partnerships, and product sales. Many creators using this approach haven't even explored these additional revenue streams yet, meaning their earning potential could double or triple. The current moment represents a unique window of opportunity. YouTube's algorithm is rewarding authentic conversational content over highly produced videos. Creators who embrace this shift now, especially with AI tools handling the technical complexities, can build substantial audiences before this approach becomes oversaturated. Starting requires finding your area of expertise or passion, then committing to daily content creation. Whether it's personal finance, relationships, spirituality, or any other topic you're genuinely interested in, consistency matters more than perfection. The key is putting in enough repetitions to discover what resonates with audiences, while AI tools like TubeMargic AI handle the optimization details. This revolution in YouTube's success isn't about gaming the system or finding shortcuts. It's about authentic human connection enhanced by intelligent tools that remove technical barriers. Regular people are building meaningful audiences and substantial incomes by simply sharing their knowledge and perspectives consistently. The opportunity is real, the tools are available, and the barrier to entry has never been lower. The question isn't whether this approach works, but whether you're ready to start your own journey toward YouTube success using these proven strategies.